We'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas at PitchNinjas. Thank you to our wonderful clients and all our incredible coaches who've come on the journey with us. We only launched in September and we've been absolutely blown away by the feedback that you clients have given us on the impact that we've been having with you all. Thank you so much for believing in us, and thank you to our amazing coaches who believed in us right at the beginning when we came up with this idea and have come on board and are doing such brilliant work. We have big plans for 2022, but for now we'd like to leave you with a little tip. We always like to leave you with some communication tips at PitchNinjas. So our tip this Christmas is about the fact that Christmas can bring us so much joy, but it can also be a time when we overindulge, we eat too much, and we also spend time with family members that we're not really always used to spending so much time with. And sometimes people can say things, or we can say things that trigger others. So our top tip this Christmas is that if you are triggered in any way by a family member or a friend over Christmas, instead of either judging them or perhaps judging yourself, replace that judgment with curiosity and see what happens. Perhaps that might change the dynamics, change the vibe, and bring a bit more Christmas magic to all. So that's our top tip from PitchNinjas. And that just leaves me to say thank you again and a Merry, Merry Christmas to one and all.